Reuse parameterized datasets in Azure Data Factory. ADF tips and tricks. Work smart, not hard. This ADF trick saves hours of setup, every time. Step 1. Create dataset. Create a new dataset from your source, like Azure Blob Storage or SQL Bot. Step 2. Add parameters. Add parameters like folder path and file name in the Parameters tab. Step 3. Bind parameters. Use expressions like a dataset, folder path in your Connection tab. Step 4. Use dataset in pipeline. Use this dataset inside any pipeline and pass new values. Step 5. Pass parameters. Assign dynamic values to your dataset from pipeline settings. Pro tip: use concat in expressions to automate file or folder naming. Wrap up: one dataset. Infinite uses, like subscribe and share. If this saved you time, do us a favor. Like, comment, and subscribe for more ADF mastery.